Among Us.
Mael, what a cool glasses.
Yeah, it's Among Us. We got a video about them.
What character is popular right now?
Of course, it's Spider-Man.
Are you ready to make another one?
Let's do it.
We need a template.
It's ready. Now I need 3D pen and plastic. Let's start. Gray color is ready. Now it's time for red. What do you think?
It's real Spider-Man.
Wait for this. Wow. Wow, Spiderman Glasses. Spider-Man, Among Us. Spider-Man, Among Us. Spider-Man, Among Us. Which one do you like better? Subscribe to my channel. Bye, 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 bye.